Hello and welcome to another video walk around with myself, Elisa, here at Toyota Northwest Edmonton. And today we'll be taking a look at the 2018 Toyota RAV4 all-wheel drive SE. So this is a 4-door, 5-passenger all-wheel drive SUV, and the color is called Alpine White. Under the hood, you'll find a 2.5-liter inline 4-cylinder engine, and you'll be riding on top of these awesome 18-inch alloy wheels. Now, some of your features include your front fog lamps, you have your automatic high beams, and you have heated door mirrors, but there's a ton happening on the inside as well, so why don't we hop on in and take a look around. Helping you into your RAV is your Toyota Smart Key. On your fob, you have your lock, your unlock, your power lift gate, and your panic button. Pushing the unlock button once unlocks the front doors, and pushing it twice unlocks all four. And you can see there that you do have your side view mirror signal indicators. That's going to be nice for those heavy traffic days or if you're traveling on the highway. I'm just going to lock this back up here because it is a Smart Key. You do have the ability to keep your key in your pocket. And I wanted to show you this as well. You do have your side blind zone alert there on your side view mirror as well. Again, a safety feature that's going to come in handy. Now again, my key is in my pocket and I'm just going to place my hand on the handle and there we go. It's open for me. So I don't have to take my key out. Lots of room to get in and out. Nice and spacious. You do have some storage here in the driver's side door. You have your power windows, locks, and mirrors. Your mirrors are situated just to the left of your steering wheel, just there. You also have your lane departure warning, your heated steering wheel, and you have a power lift gate button there as well, along with the different lighting instruments that you have. You also have your all-weather floor mats to keep your vehicle nice and clean. So you have your 2 sets of floor mats. You have your power driver's seat. That's going to be really nice for you. And then you have this great leather, this great red stitching in that Softex interior. Gorgeous interior. Moving a little bit further up, you do have your power tilt and slide sunroof. That's going to be really nice for those summer days. You can let the sun shine in, let the wind through your hair. So I'm just going to hop on in. We're going to start it up for you. We'll take a look at some other technology features. Now, because it's a Smart Key, we do have the push start technology. So we're going to push that on. Take a look at everything that's happening in here. So we've got a great sound system. I'm going to turn that down here for you so you can hear me. You've got a nice ambient dashboard, easy lighting on the eyes. You have your leather-wrapped ergonomic steering wheel. Moving a bit further down, you do have your volume control and your music selection buttons, along with your hands-free calling and your voice command. And then on your right-hand side is your menu button for your dash. So this is going to give you, again, the music that you're listening to. You have your messages, your safety settings, like your side blind zone alert and all of those things that you can turn off and on. You also have your lane departure warning and things like that. So lots of great information just at the push of the buttons here. You have your trip computer. Now you do have your dynamic radar cruise control. This is the button that you set that with, the distance ahead of you, with the car ahead of you. And here's your cruise control just right back there. And taking a look at the entertainment system now, we have a great touch screen. You do have everything that you're going to want. You have your AM/FM radio, your USB and your auxiliary input. You have your Sirius XM, and then you have your Bluetooth audio, which gives you your hands-free calling as well. Now within your applications, you do have your navigation system. Oh, it doesn't want to pick up my finger. There we go. So you do have your navigation system. Really easy system to learn. Come in, plug in your home address or any address that you'd like. See how user-friendly it is. Now, moving a little bit further down from there, you do have your dual-zone climate control with your air conditioning. Once again, that's going to be great for those summer months and if somebody runs a little cooler or warmer than yourself. And then for the winter months, you have your heated seats for your driver and your passenger. You have your 2 different driving modes. You have your USB, your audio input, and then you have a 12-volt DC plug-in just there. Now this button here is your windshield wiper defrost, so that's going to be handy once again in those winter months. Now lots of storage, some great cup holders here. One really easy for the driver and then really easy for the passenger there. You do have your sport mode, as I had mentioned, if you prefer to drive that way. And then you do have some storage in your center console here. It's a double decker, so you do have lots of room for some smaller items and some larger items. And then you have that Softex upholstery as well, doubling as an armrest. Sorry, I'm tripping over my words a little bit here. So you do have a lockable glove box and you have all of the manuals that you're going to need. Lots of space in there to hold some personal items. So lots of really great things happening in the front of the RAV4. Why don't we head on back and take a look at cargo? Taking a look at the back of your RAV4, you can see that you do have a rear windshield wiper for that unpredictable Alberta weather. You also have your rear vision camera just here. That's going to make it easier for you to back out of busy parking spots or just out of your neighborhood in your own driveway, making it a lot safer in your neighborhood. So we do have a power lift gate on your key fob, so we're just going to open this up here. We'll take a look at the cargo space that we have in the RAV4. One thing that people really do love about the RAV is the amount of cargo space. So there you have it, tons and tons of room in there. Right under here is your spare tire with all of the tools and jacks you're going to need, along with your cargo cover that you can store under there and take with you, so you can use it whenever you need to do that and cover up your cargo there. I'm just gonna lay these seats down so you can see just how much space there is when you lay the seats down flat. So there you have it, nice amount of cargo space. That 60/40 rear seat makes it able for you to carry something a little bit longer and still fit two people comfortably in the back there. And once you're finished loading everything up, you can either take out your fob again and use that button, or there's a button right up here. You can just push that and it'll come right down for you and will give you a nice view of the back of your RAV4. Giving you a final look then of the 2018 Toyota RAV4 all-wheel drive SE. You have some tint on those back windows, giving your passengers a bit of privacy. Come on in, take it for a test drive. There's so many things that I didn't get a chance to go through on this brief walk around, so ask a lot of questions, see what kind of warranties are available. We're very easy to find. We're on the corner of 137th Avenue and St. Albert Trail. We're here at Toyota Northwest Edmonton. My name is Elisa. Thanks again for watching, and until we see you, drive safe.